back. I am back making big cocktails with all this booze. Can you see it? I am going to make a cocktail today called the Blue Motorcycle with a Sidecar. That's right, a sidecar. A blue motorcycle with a sidecar. You know, and if you can read my shirt, can you read it?
I can read it.
It says stuff on there. There's a lot of words on this one. Another one from Shelly, my daughter. She likes to send me t-shirts. I'm going to give some quick shout-outs today. One, what fun. They're a new subscriber. All that fluffing stuff. Another new subscriber. And Molly Purcell. Molly, thank you for subscribing to me. I subscribe back to all you guys, everybody. And Slice of Life. I need a good slice of life. I don't know why I clear my throat like that. I got raspy throat from allergies. I always do it.
Because the smoke we have in the air from the fire.
I don't smoke.
No, but the mountains are.
Oh, the mountains are on fire. So
yeah.
They've been burning for a while. We're not going to have any firewood for winter, I don't think.
I know.
And Brit girls, go crazy. I love you guys. You guys crack me up. I sat down and I watched like 5 of your videos yesterday and I laughed. You girls crack me up, especially the one with the Bush's baked beans. I love Bush's baked beans. Anyhow, that's about all I got to say. Today I'm going to make the Blue Motorcycle with a sidecar. And I'm putting out videos once a week on movie reviews. My next one is going to be a movie review that I'm doing this afternoon, but you won't see it until later on the Black Widow. Man, is that exciting. It's so exciting. I watched it twice, and I might watch it again tonight. Maybe. Okay, let's get going here. I'm going to put an ounce of rum. I don't know why I got this measurement thing on here. I don't even have to do that. 1 ounce of rum. 1 ounce of gin. Maui Karen says she doesn't know if she's going to like this or not. So if she doesn't like it, that's her problem, not mine, right?
That's what you tell me.
1 ounce of the sidecar here. Coconut rum. 1 ounce of coconut rum.
Is that 1 ounce of everybody?
1 ounce of everybody.
Oh, woohoo!
This is going to be like so many ounces of stuff. I'm surprised it's, stop here. Whoop, 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 whoop. 1 ounce of vodka. Yeah. Tequila. Tequila. 1 ounce of tequila. I love tequila. I am the tequila drinker. Oh yeah.
Why?
Oh no. 1 ounce of Blue Curacao. Why? Because it's blue. That's why. Little boy blue. And baby. 1 ounce of sweet and sour.
You shake them.
I'm back. And I'm shaking this because I can. It looks like medicine. Looks like medicine. Now I got garnish on there already. This one's got the giraffe, and this one's got a lemon. I think the lemon is going to be...
Whoa, that's pretty.
You're not going to be able to tell because of the green screen. Maybe I can cut the green screen off.
Oh, the giraffe fell. Pick the giraffe up.
He's been drinking. That giraffe has been drinking. It's a sober giraffe. It's not a sober giraffe. There you go. There's a... Okay, now I got to do the topper. You top it off with some Sprite. And there you have it, folks. The Blue Motorcycle with the sidecar. And if you know where to make a drink, go make it in the kitchen or in the bar or whatever you got. But if you're going to make a drink, do it well and have fun while you're doing it. Because after you do it, you might not be having any fun anymore. You might have a hangover. So anyhow, get a vaccine, call your mama, Cocktail Tony, over and out.